this is Prachi and welcome back to my channel. So after so long I'm doing a talking video, and as you guys already know by the title that I'm going to talk about how I edit my Instagram pictures. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so before starting I would like to show you guys my Instagram page. This is how it looks like right now. Please go and follow me. It's Prachi_XXO. I'm going to edit this picture right here. This is the recent shoot I did. This place is actually so near to my house and मुझे idea ही नहीं था इसके बारे में. I was just randomly walking around and I saw that there were some wood logs lying around there inside and वो gate थी वहाँ पे. And जब भी मैंने उसको नज़दीक से जाके देखा, that place was so beautiful. I'll drop that video here. And then I just decided that मुझे यहाँ पे shoot करना है. I dressed up and I went. And मैंने उनसे बात किया that I want to shoot like for 30 minutes and they were so nice. There was one worker, okay, so he was like कि हाँ आपको जितना टाइम करना है आप करो आराम से, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So I was like wow, that's really nice, he's so sweet and all. Then as my shoot was done and I was so happy with the pictures, so I thought that उसको जाके मैं थोड़ा खुशी से कुछ दे दूँ, okay, some money. And he was like मैडम इससे ज़्यादा होगा. Like I was like dude, एक तो मैं आपको खुशी से दे रही हूँ एंड प्लीज़ अभी आप ये रख लो, बाद में मैं बार मैंने उनको ऐसा बोला दैट आई एम गोना कम हियर ऑफन, सो प्लीज़ अभी आप इसमें एडजस्ट कर लो. एंड देन आई हैड टू गो. देन दैट वाज सो फनी. सो लेट्स बिगिन एडिटिंग. So the app I use to edit my pictures is Lightroom. Editing according to my feed, this app works best. I use other apps too, but अगर किसी ऐप में कुछ छोटा मोटा changes करना रहता है, so I use some different apps. If you guys really want to know which other apps I use for editing pictures and videos, please let me know in the comment section. So let's begin. Also guys, I'm gonna look down to read this because I've written down all the settings that this picture has, so don't mind. So let's begin. If you see in Lightroom app, there is all these tools right here. First thing is I do is crop. So if you go in crop option, there is this straighten option right here. If you click that, it automatically straightens your image. अगर आपने थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा निकाल लिया हो किसी ने फोटो, तो what Lightroom does it automatically straightens, and that's amazing, right? Let's move further to the light. Okay, so the exposure I'm going to give -43 and the highlight I'm going to keep -71. So the shadows I am going to keep it to +35. The whites to +20 and the blacks to +12. Okay, let's go ahead. So next is the color. So there is temperature, tint, vibrance and saturation. So let's add the tint to +10. Sorry, temperature to +10, and we're gonna add the tint to +15, vibrance to +8, and saturation I'm not doing anything, so yeah. Now we're gonna go to the color mix, and there are all the colors here. Okay, so let's begin with the red one. So red I'm gonna go to -75, saturation +37, and luminance to -22. If you already see that my cheeks has turned really nicely pink and my lips has got a reddish effect, I like it. So now let's move forward to the orange. So orange I'm going to keep it to -11, the hue -11. Saturation I am going to keep +10, and luminance I'm going to keep +30. Now if we see the yellow one, we're gonna add the hue to -85. Saturation we're gonna add +55, and luminance I'm gonna add 26. Okay guys, this yellow one hue is one magic for me, because what it does is, I'll show you it changes the color yellow to warm brown. And if you see, अगर वो मैंने नहीं किया था पहले, if you see, this is too much pale yellow and the above one woods are kind of warm orange. But then when I did hue to -85 or to that all the wood color same, okay, and that looks so amazing. You can see, this is one thing I do in most of my pictures. Like every time I will be adding a little bit of brownish effect on my picture. So this is how I do it. Then let's move forward to the green. So the green I'm gonna do is -81, again dropping down. Saturation we going to add to +73, 74, and luminance I'm gonna add +32. Okay, so the blue I am going to add -80. Saturation I'm going to add +33, and the luminance I'm going to add +32. Okay. Now the dark blue I'm going to reduce the hue to -7, not much. Saturation to +24, and the luminance to +6. So now this is done. If we go to the next option, that is effects, there are texture, clarity and dehaze. So I am going to increase the texture to +15, clarity to +6, not much, and dehaze to +12. Now what does these three do is they just clarify your image and make the texture more visible. Yeah. Now if you go down, there is a grain option right here, and this is my one favorite thing to do for all my pictures. So I just like to add some grainy effect on my pictures. So yeah. Now for the detail, I am just going to add the detail like color noise and color noise reduction. So just going to increase this to 20, that's it, 21. Okay, so what does color noise reduction does is, if you have like edited a lot, okay, like you have changed certain colors, so what your image will get pixelated. Okay, so what does color noise reduction does is it just smoothen your picture, so usko properly correct kar dega. That is in simple ways. Now if I go to the optics, there is this enable lens correction. I just tick this, and if you see, there is a slight difference when I tick it. So it just like the lens gets more wider, and I like it that way. This is the only settings I use, but thoda bahut idhar udhar hone hi wala hai. So yeah, so this is how I edit my Instagram pictures. I'm gonna show the before and the after. I am in love with the after. It has bring so much character to this picture. Okay, so the other app I use is the Snapseed app. What I do in this app is I just like to erase some certain things I don't like. So I'll be editing this image right here. So let's begin. So there are some people right here, and this picture is so beautiful. I love it. So I'm just going to remove these people. I'm so sorry, whoever they are. So we are going to go to the tools option and healing, and what you have to do is you just have to brush on them and they will magically disappear. How cool is that? I love it. And also there is some garbage lying down, so I'm going to remove all of that. So this is how I edit the minor छोटे सा stuff. Also, I love one feature about Snapseed, that is called expand. Now what does expand does is अगर आपको तो आपका image is not in proper ratio, okay, like size, like 4:5 or a square for Instagram. So what you can do is you just have to expand from the corners how much ever you want to, and voila, how beautifully it has just expand. So what expand does is whatever is around that corner, so it just stretches that, okay, and this is how your image is proper in a size ratio. And yeah, that's it. So I love this feature, and so this is how I did my Instagram pictures. If you guys liked it, please give a big thumbs up. So stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. We are so close to hit 1000 followers. And also hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post a new video. And guys, I promise I'll be sharing more videos on YouTube now. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye guys.